Hi, I'm Johnny Blade, and I'm going to teach you how to play Mr. Crowley by Ozzy Osbourne. This song is in standard tuning. Here's your E, A, D, G, B, E. It's always a good practice to use an electronic tuner to make sure you're in tune all the time. So this song is in D minor. It starts on a D minor chord. So you've got first finger on first string, first fret, fourth finger on second string, third fret, second finger on third string, second fret. And you want to include the open D, the open fourth string with that to make a D minor chord. And so in the beginning of the song, after the keyboard intro, you hit the chord twice. Then you got an open fifth string, A note, sixth string, first fret with your first finger, the note is F. And so that completes a D minor chord. Back to the D minor chord. Then you want to go up high on the neck and slide down to a B flat chord, power chord. First finger, fifth string, first fret, third finger, fourth string, third fret, fourth finger is on third string, third fret. Okay, so you hit the chord like 3 times. The third one's kind of a quick hit, and then the riff. It's first finger, first fret on the fifth string, third finger, third fret on the fifth string, back to first finger, to the open fifth string, and then back to the chord. You could add a pinch harmonic on the third string, third fret with your third finger. You achieve that by rubbing the skin of your thumb against the string as you pick it, and then give it a vibrato with your left hand. So, like, shake the string up and down. Back to the D minor chord. Now you go to C chord. So the C is on, first finger's on fifth string, third fret. Third finger's on fourth string, fifth fret. Fourth finger's on third string, fifth fret. So you hit that chord like 5 times, actually 7 times. Then you hit an open fifth string. Drop your first finger down a second fret on the fifth string, and then back up to the third fret. Then do a bar chord with it's a suspended C chord is what they call this. Your fourth finger's on second string, sixth fret, and that's what makes it suspended. Then to a D minor chord in fifth position. Fifth string, first finger on fifth fret, third finger on fourth string, seventh fret, fourth finger on third string, seventh fret, and your second finger is on second string, sixth fret. And that riff that happens there is on first finger on 4th string, 5th fret, and you hammer on your 3rd finger onto the 7th fret of the same string, 4th string. Bar your 1st finger across the 2nd and 3rd string on 5th fret. 2nd finger goes to 2nd string, 6th fret. At the same time, you want your 3rd finger to go to 3rd string, 7th fret. And then back to the bar. Then back to the chord, which is a D minor chord. And it slides up 2 frets. So you're starting on 2nd string, 6th fret with your 2nd finger, go to also 3rd finger on 3rd string, 7th fret, and those slide up to 8th fret and 9th fret respectively. 2nd finger on 8th fret, 2nd string, 3rd finger on 9th fret, 3rd string, and then back down to the D minor. Back to the C chord. And there's a couple of muted notes in between there. I got quick down up. Back to the B flat chord. And then an A. Now if you have a guitar with a whammy bar, Floyd Rose type system, at that point you hit the whammy bar, drop the pitch a little bit. Or, you bend the neck a little bit. Or hit the G note on the 6th string with your 3rd finger, and put your 1st and 2nd finger behind it to give it the strength, and bend it up to an A. So bend it up a full step. That's the way Zach Wilde does it. The second verse is exactly the same as the first verse, except that ending riff, instead of going, this time it's more of a scalar run. So you start on your 3rd finger, 3rd string, 7th fret, hammer your 4th finger on to the 8th fret of the 3rd string, and pull it off. Pull off your 3rd finger to the 1st finger, and then another hammer on, pull off with your 3rd finger. Slide down 2 frets and do another hammer pull with your 3rd finger. Go down 1 more fret to 2nd fret. Then on 4th string with your 4th finger on the 5th fret. 2nd finger on 4th string, 3rd fret. 1st finger on 4th stringer, 4th string, 2nd fret. 4th finger on 5th fret, 5th string, and on a C chord. The third verse is exactly the same again, and this time the riff is slightly different. It's an ascending D minor scale. So it's, let's see. So you're on the D note on the 5th string, 5th fret with your 1st finger. third finger on 7th fret of the same string, 4th finger on 8th fret of the same string, 4th string, 1st finger, 5th fret, 3rd finger, 7th fret, 4th string. Now you jump back down to the 4th finger on the 8th fret of the 5th string, back to 1st finger, 3rd finger on the 4th string, 4th finger, 1st finger, 3rd finger on the 3rd string, 1st, 2nd, 4th finger on 2nd string, 1st finger, 1st string, 5th fret, 2nd finger, 1st string, 6th fret, and then slide that up, pick it and slide it up to 8th fret. And the bottom strings, when you first start the run, are muted with your palm of your right hand. So that's the lesson on the rhythm parts for the verses of Mr. Crowley. Check out my other video for the guitar solo and the bridge. Thank you.